Are you looking to stand out in the competitive finance job market? A strong resume is key to catching the attention of hiring managers and landing that dream job. So today I'm sharing the best finance resume tips to help you highlight your skills and experience in the best way possible. All right? Now, this is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So, one of the first tips is to tailor your resume for each job. Make sure to customize your resume for each role that you apply for using keywords from the job description to show that you're a perfect fit, okay? Next, you gotta highlight your achievements, not just responsibilities, okay? For example, if you improved a financial process or increased profits, okay? Include those specific results to show your impact. Another key tip is to include relevant certifications and skills. So if you have certifications like the CFA, a Chartered Financial Analyst, or a CPA, a Certified Public Accountant, or an FRM, a Financial Risk Manager, make sure that they're front and center. Don't forget to list your technical skills too. Programming languages like Python, R, and SQL, highly valued in the financial industry. Lastly, you're gonna quantify your experience. So use numbers to show the scope of your work, whether it's the amount of capital that you've managed, the number of projects that you worked on, or the percentage of which you improve the process. Numbers help demonstrate your success and add credibility to your resume. So with these tips, you're gonna be well on your way to creating a standout resume that gets noticed. And if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.